Good morning, students. Today we learn about chapter number 2, addition. In this chapter we learn about addition using an abacus. ठीक है? Means abacus का यूज करके अपन कैसे ऐड करते हैं? आपने थर्ड क्लास में भी पढ़ा है इसके बारे में. ठीक है ना? abacus पढ़ा है ना? तो abacus पे अपन कैसे ऐड करेंगे? Now look here. For example, add 16,340 and 2,282. Okay? Then plus it on abacus. We draw abacus. First we draw abacus. Now first we look here. Look here. This is the place of ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Here are the place of 10,000. Here ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. Here are the place of only thousand. Therefore, first we write this number. For this write 10,000. The place of 10,000 means TTH. 10,000 का प्लेस 10,000 का जो प्लेस होगा उसको क्या लिखते हैं? TTH. प्लेस ऑफ 1000 की प्लेस को TH. प्लेस ऑफ 100 आपको पता है. प्लेस ऑफ 10 एंड प्लेस ऑफ 1. ठीक है? This is place of 10,000, place of 1,000, place of 100, place of 10, and place of 1. So we just now add करना means plus का sign. This is the sign of plus. Now here only place of 1,000. We write place of 1,000. 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. Equal to. इन दोनों को जो प्लस करेंगे आंसर आएगा वो. आंसर किस में आएगा? 10,000 का प्लेस बड़ा है. 10,000 का 10,000 with 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. Done? Now we put the beads of this number. This is 16,340. We write here 16,340. Okay. Next number is 2,282. We write here 2,282. 2,282. और यहाँ पे जो आंसर आएगा वो. अब put the beads, draw the beads. Place of ones is 4. Then in place of ones 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place of tens is 1 means 1 is here. Place of 100 is 3. Put 3 beads. 1, 2 and 3. Place of 10,000 is 6. Put here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Place of 10,000 is 1. Put here only 1. Clear? Next. Here place of ones is 2. 1 and 2. Place of tens is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Place of 100 is 2. 1 and 2. Place of 1,000 is 2. Place of 1,000 is 2. Understood? Clear? Now plus करना है. Start from place of ones. Place of ones से इसकी जो place of ones है, ones का place और ये place of ones, दोनों bits को add करना है, means plus करना है. Here 1 2 3 4 and this 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 6 bits. Right? Draw here 6 bits in one place. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and right here 6. Okay. Now place of tens. Here place of tens is only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 bits. Right here 9 and draw 9 bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 bits. Clear? Now place of 100. Place of 100 here 3 bits. 1 2 and 3 4 and 5 bits. 1 2 3 4 5 bits. Now place of 1000. Place of 1000 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and 8 bits. Right here. Sorry. Place of 100. Place of 100 is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Place of 100 is 5. Right here 5. Now place of 1000. In place of 1000 1 2 3 4 5 6 and here 7 and 8. Right here 8. Now here place of 10,000 is 1 and here no any place of 10,000 means only 1. We write here draw only 1 and draw 1 in 5 8 bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Clear? This is abacus. Understood? Next question. Addition without carrying. You know about addition? आपको पता है? Addition means add कैसे करते आता है ना? प्लस करना तो सभी को आता है. Without carrying और with carrying. Addition without carrying. Without carrying. For example, add 63,512 and 22,456. Okay. Now look here. Look here. Here are the place of ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Means this is 63,512 and this is again this 22,456. Means this is the place of 10,000. Right here place of 10,000, place of 1000, place of 100, place of tens and place of ones. Now first you write this number 63,512. 63,000 means 6 5, 1 and 2. Now 22,456. Place of ones is 6. Place of tens 5, 100, 4. Place of 1000, 2 and place of 10,000 plus. Okay. Now plus it 2 plus 6. 2 में 6 को प्लस करना है. 2 plus 6 और 6 plus 2 सेम थिंग. 6 में 2 को प्लस करो. 7 and 8. Right here 8. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5 same thing. 5 plus 4 9. 3 plus 2 5 and 6 plus 2 7 and 8 8. This is the answer. Is it clear? Next. Now addition with carry. Addition with carry. अभी अपन ने विदाउट कैरी पढ़ा, ठीक है ना. मीन्स कैरी नहीं था इसमें. एडिशन विथ कैरी. एग्जाम्पल एड 72,831 and 13,438. Now add this number. Look here. Again this is 72,831 and this is 13,838. Means this is the place of 10,000. We write here from start from this is 10,000, 1,000, place of 1,000, place of 100, place of tens and place of ones. Start from ones. First we write this number. Place of ones is 1. Place of tens is 3. Place of 100 is 8. Place of 10,000 is 2 and place of 10,000 is 7. Now start. Now we write this number. Place of ones is 8. Place of tens is 3. Place of 100 is 4. Place of 1,000 is 3 and place of 10,000 is 1. Plus. Okay, now plus it. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 3, 3 में 3 plus 3, 6. 8 plus 4, 8 पे 4 को प्लस करना है. 8 के बाद 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. We don't write 12 here. Okay. We write here only place of 1. This is 12. We write place of 1 is here. This is 2. And place of tens is 1. 1 is carry. We put carry here. We put carry here. Okay. Now 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. This is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.